One of the very few problems with my car, the Kia Sonet GTX Plus, is that it does not come with wireless Android Auto, as here we get the wired option only. I mean, this is a top of the line variant of Sonet and this feature should have been included here. Yet, weirdly enough, few of the lower end variants of Sonet itself do get the wireless Android Auto feature. What's up with that, Kia? Meaning that every time I want to use Android Auto while on the road, I have to first fiddle around with a really long USB cable to connect the car's USB port to my phone, which has been a bit of an inconvenience. Don't get me wrong here, I still might just prefer a wired connectivity, as that does provide a better experience in terms of latency when compared to wireless. However, this device completely changed my mind. This is the A2A box by CarPlay Smartbox, and I've been using it as a daily driver for the last 2 weeks now. So be sure to watch this video till the very end, as I have 2 exclusive discount coupons for you to use on your purchase of this affordable product or any product offered by the CarPlay Smartbox brand. But before we get into its features and whatnot, let's take a look at its box and the contents we received with it. As you can see, here we get a very compact little white box with a picture of the device at front along with the company branding. The box has a very minimal looking design with no information on any of its sides. And at the rear, we get to see a few details mentioned. Few of its features worth mentioning here are that this device is suitable for more than 98% of car models out there. However, only those car models are compatible which have an inbuilt wired Android Auto feature. This device works just fine for Android phones with versions 10 and above. It has Bluetooth 5.2 technology for super fast and stable connections, which means latency would be at a minimum. And the best part, this device will update its software over the air or OTA, so no need to worry about upgrading this thing. Alright, let's open up this thing. And in the box, the first thing we get is a detailed user manual. Now you can either read this entire thing or watch my video till the very end, since I'll be showing you guys everything there is to know. Choice is yours. And straight away we get to see the A2A box. Let's keep this aside for now and see what all we get. And finally we get to see 2 USB cables with equal lengths of 1 foot each. One of these is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, while the other one is USB Type-C to Type-A cable. You can use either of these cables to connect the A2A box to your car's USB port depending upon which port your car has. Since my car has a USB Type-A port, I'll be using the second cable. Alright, now the main device. This is such a compact plastic device which can easily be kept anywhere in the car without even noticing it. It is also light as a feather with a weight of just 33 grams. My car's key is heavier than this. I like the texture at the front, and here we can again see the company's branding. The front is also where we can see a small LED light. This thing is seriously small and fits easily in the palm of my hand. At the top we can see the Type-C port, and at the bottom we can see the Type-A port for the respective cables. And at the rear we can see a bit of information including the device's serial number. And here are some daily objects for size comparison. If you are enjoying this video so far, then be sure to hit the like button to support my work, and share this video with your friends and family who are looking for such a device for their car. Alright, now let's connect this thing to my car and test it out. Like I said, I'll be using the USB Type-C to Type-A cable for my car. I'll plug in one end to the A2A box and the other end to the car's USB port. And shortly after that, we can see a stable red color LED at the front waiting for us to pair it with the mobile device. Now on my phone, which is the Samsung S20 FE 5G, I'll first switch on the Wi-Fi and now add a new Bluetooth device, which is our A2A box. Here we can see its name AutoKit AE35 pop up on the screen, which we need to pair to. During this time, the A2A LED will start blinking in red color. And as soon as the pairing process completes, we can see the Android Auto connected prompt on the phone as well as on the car's head unit. Since the pairing is successful, the LED on the A2A box turns to green. And that's it. It does not get any convenient than this. This entire process has to be done just once, and every time we enter the car from now on, it will connect automatically as long as both the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi are enabled. We'll see how long that takes later on in this video. And now we can start using Android Auto just like we do normally. Now I won't be showing you all of the features of Android Auto. There are tons of other YouTube videos out there for you to check out. Here we can access the maps, zoom in, zoom out, set a destination, etc. Everything that we could do while connected with a wire. Only now I can do all of this wirelessly, all the while I keep my phone aside on the car's wireless charger. We can listen to our favorite songs by opening up YouTube Music or my preferred app Spotify, and everything works just perfectly. We can even use the steering wheel controls or all of the buttons right below the screen to change the tracks or set the volume. Everything is just very well integrated as if it was originally a part of the car out of the factory. And in case you were wondering, even the voice control feature still works perfectly. Okay Google. Cancel. We can even make and receive phone calls and again use the steering wheel controls to hang up when we are done. Similarly, we can access all of the basic apps and settings in Android Auto with the A2A box. Now let's move on to some entertainment options. First up, Car Stream to access YouTube videos. As you can see, I'm still able to search for channels or videos. I'll play one of my own videos. Plays perfectly. Now let me show you guys one of my favorite apps, which is called Fermata Auto. And here as well, we can see the video works perfectly. And finally, let's check out the one app that most people would love to use in this, which is the AA Mirror or the AA Mirror Plus apps to mirror their phones on the car's head unit. With this app, we'll get to check the latency that we get with the A2A box connected. And as you can see, there's smooth operation so far. Let me play a video for a better clarity in the latency. And here you go guys, isn't this just amazing? I can hardly notice any latency with the A2A box connected. It is at par with the wired counterpart. This is just fantastic. Okay, now let's quickly check how much time it will take the A2A box to start Android Auto in the car from now on whenever I decide to go for a drive. The timer has been started as soon as I plugged in the Type A cable. As you can see, it took just 23 seconds to connect to Android Auto, which is perfectly acceptable. This is a great time considering the fact that it generally takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute to settle in the car before one drives off. Alright, the moment most of you have been waiting for, discount coupons. To purchase the A2A box, you can visit the official website of CarPlay Smartbox. I'll mention the direct purchase link in the description below, and I'll even mention it in the comment section and pin that comment for your convenience. As informed in the beginning of the video, there are 2 discount coupons to be used upon checkout, which is of course applicable to 1 or more products you wish to buy. Use the discount coupon HarryWT12 to get 12% off on your purchase if the total checkout amount is less than $120. And use the discount coupon HarryWT25 to get $25 off on your purchase if the total checkout amount is $120 or more. At the time this video has been recorded, the A2A device is available for around 7,000 Indian rupees, which is equal to about $85 US. You can check out the exact price for your location by clicking at the link in the description below. And apart from the A2A box, there are tons of other car accessories they have to offer for you to check out. What makes this device a better deal is the fact that most of the other similar products available online are much more expensive than this one, offering very similar features. And the best part is that apart from offering this device at an affordable price, they even offer free worldwide shipping, which is just fabulous. For reference purpose, my A2A box was delivered to me in about 2 weeks' time with no hassles whatsoever. I'll be honest here, I'm really happy with this small yet powerful device as it does the job as intended and just perfectly. And there you have it guys, this was my short review video of the A2A box by CarPlay Smartbox. Hope you found this video informative, enough to make an informed purchase decision. I'll catch you guys soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.